People, C3 Game Ready here for another free video. Today I'm going to show you how to make this paper airplane. So let's get started. So right now, guys, I'll show you how. Okay, so first fold it horizontally. Well, I really don't know how to say it, but Rocky. So you go like this, and then you go like this. So then, guys, when you did that, so when you folded it just like this, and then you fold it inwards like that, then crease it real good. Then what you're gonna do, you're gonna have to go like this, and then fold it just like a regular paper airplane, how you would fold it, both sides. And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna go like that. So crease it really good, real good. And then ruins it. Okay, guys, and then what you want to do, you're gonna go like this, and then fold it in.
I have to get it back ready for the snacks, right?
You're gonna want to fold it in like this, so it's like that, and then fold it inwards, just like this, just like that, and then do it on the same thing on the other side. And then what you want to do, you're gonna go like this, then fold it in. When you creased it really good, you're gonna have to fold it in like this. Watch. Wait. Fold it in like that. So then you hear this. So then what you want to do, you're gonna have to go like this. So it's like this. Then you just put it in like that. Crease it good on both sides. And you have a pointy part. And then what you're going to do, it's kind of complicated. Wait, let me do it for you guys right here. Okay, like this. Oops, a little bit more down. Just a little. Teeny bit like that. Okay. Nope. Oh. Okay, and then go like that, and then do it. So it's like this. So it's like this. So it's like that, both sides like that. Then you fold it in like that for the wing. Then fold the other side.
Oh, I got my paper. Bring this stuff over there. Oh no. Paper?
This one's higher. Dang it, man. Just see, it's hard. It's hard. Teach you guys how to make a ninja star. Now teach you. Okay, so it's gonna look like this. Then you open the wings, and then you made it. Okay, let's go check it out. Wait. Okay, guys. So we're going to go check it out. Here we go. Put you guys right there. Then let's see how this actually freaking flies. Okay, so right here, guys. So it's pointy. I hope it works.